Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss our unit, which is unit number 2, solid, liquid, and gases. In this unit, we will discuss today
وبركاته أستاذ أنا منبه أسألي.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
No teacher, I am Faisal Khalid.
Hello, Faisal Khalid. How are you?
I am Faisal.
That is great. So today we will discuss.
Hello teacher, my name is محمد الحارثي.
Hello, Hamid. How are you?
بروح أكمل حصتي. شو لو Hello teacher, I'm زياد محمد السبيل.
Hello, Mr. Ziyad Sobeti.
Hello teacher. Teacher, what page?
What page? You can see the screen?
How are you teacher?
I'm fine. Fahad Saud. أنت شايف screen?
No. Page 44.
Everyone can see the screen. Everyone. كلكم شوف الشاشة. مكتوب صفحة رقم. Open page number 44, 45. Melting and freezing. Melting means like if you are eating a solid like ice cream or ice you have, it turns into liquid, that is called melting. That is called melting. And if you put some liquid, hello Ryan, liquid into the freezer, you will get ice, that is called freezing. So melting means the solid becomes liquid, and freezing means liquid becomes
Salam
solid.
alaikum, Mr.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Hello teacher, nice to see you again.
Hello, nice to see you too.
Teacher, في مدرسة بكرة.
Inshallah. Ask Mr. Adil. I think for this week we don't have.
Okay. Teacher, page what?
Next week, inshallah.
Page what?
Who is asking for
Page
page?
44.
Ziad?
44. Oh, they get decision. Run. Salam alaikum, Ustad. I am Midas.
Alaikum assalam, Mr. Rami. On this page we have melting and freezing. Melting means solid becomes liquid, and freezing means liquid becomes solid. Understand that melting is when solid turns into liquid, and the melting is reverse of the freezing. So the point is, you have to remember that melting is the opposite or reverse of the freezing. Understand? Water can exist as ice, yani solid, water, yani liquid, and steam, yani gas. So water has 3 states like a matter. Water has 3 states: ice, yani solid; water, yani liquid; steam, yani gas. Water is very important to all of us, and it's in all the states. Work with a partner. Think of all of the times we have changed a liquid to a gas or solid into a liquid. Hello. Okay, so we can write here.
Ustad, أنا راشد.
boiling water, and the other part of the question is, think of all times that liquid to a gas, that is boiling water, and solid to a liquid, then melting
يا أستاذ اكتبها.
ice. Yes, you should write this here. Okay, boiling water and melting ice. Water is one of the most common substances on the earth. Approximately, yani takriban, 70% of the surface is covered by the water. We have discussed this before. 70%, 70% of the surface is covered by the water. Only 30% is the dry area, dry surface. Here you can see blue. These are all water parts. Okay, in the shop has a blue. This is water. 75% of the earth. Water exists on the earth in all of its three states. What are three states? Ice, water, and steam. Here I told you ice, water, and steam. Write two examples of where we can find water in each of its states. Where we can find the water in three states. Two examples. Solid ice, and then liquid water
liquid.
and steam. So there are three
أستاذ
states of
فك الكاب.
matter. Sorry?
أستاذ اكتب عند liquid water إيش اكتب؟
Just wait. Let me tell you.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so here we should write two examples. There we can see three states of matter. In our kitchen, we can see we can find boiling water and ice and steam. And in the oceans, number two, in the oceans where we can see glaciers, then water vapor and water as well. Number two is liquid. Liquid water we can see in rivers. Yani bahar. Number two, you can write rain. And we can see water vapor or steam, number one. You can write here clouds. Number two, you can write near fans or kettles, whatever you want. So there are a lot like solids. You can see solid ice at the poles and on mountains. Also in our home and shops for drinks and keeping food cool, we can use solid ice. Then liquid water we can see in the oceans, rivers, and lakes. Then also in rain, then bottled water or water from the tap. Number three, we have water vapor or steam. We can see clouds, power stations near kettles and pans, and in our bathrooms we can see steam or water vapor. Yes, Yazan, you have any question?
No, how are you?
I am fine. Okay. Fahad, open your mic and read this. Fahad Saud Al-Bishi.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Habibi. Read this. If you check
and a book that will tell you that ice melts at 0.3 it will also tell you with water freeze at 0.3 are going to find which if the of this systems are tertiary. Step up
set
the
up the set up the
set up the turrets and carry
apparatus and carry on investigation.
is activate
Investigation.
accusation and carry on what the events then so.
Yes, Nadir, you have anything?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What you want?
I want to read.
Okay, read quickly.
If you check in a book, it will tell you that ice melt at 0 C
Ice
point.
melts.
Ice melts at 0.C point.
No, 0 degree centigrade. We read this as 0 degree centigrade, Mr. Fahad, as well. 0 degree centigrade. Okay. It will also
0 degree. It will also tell you that water freezes at 0 degree
centigrade. Thank you. Yalla Yazan, open your mic. Yazan, open your mic and read.
Teacher.
We are.
Yes. We are work which
We are going.
you check.
We are going to find.
You are going to our. You are going to our. Sorry, I'm going.
هذا يا يزن انت اقرا 4 مرات نفسه. We are going to our. We are going to our. ايش هذا؟ Okay, on next page. Finding melting point. So this is when the water melts, that is called melting point, and when that is called boiling point when it boils, and then when ice melts, that is called melting point. So we will do this when you will come into the school, inshallah. So we have a question here on page 45. Circle the correct word to complete each sentence. Faisal, open your mic and read this.
Yes, teacher.
Number 1.
When a solid
Yes.
changes
Changes
to a liquid, it called.
Yes, it is called what? When a solid changes into liquid. That is evaporation, boiling, or melting.
Teacher, I have answer. I am
Wait,
Rami.
Mr. Midas. Faisal.
Yes.
When solid changes into liquid, yani ice, e.g., ice melts or something, what is that called?
Can
Again, Rayan, wait.
Campbell.
Yes, Faisal. Rayan, wait, I said, please.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what is that called? Yeah, solid changes into liquid. Evaporation, boiling, or melting?
Teacher, I am Rama. I have answered. Teacher, liquid.
That is, yeah, Faisal, it's my sawal. When solid changes into liquid, yani fi wahid solid, that becomes liquid. Masalan, hada
Teacher,
ice.
please, I have
Ice, it
answered.
will become what?
Ice.
Rami, you are disturbing.
Melting.
Rami, you are disturbing. Please wait. When ice like this, it turns into liquid like this. What is the process called?
Melted.
Melting. The process is melting. The process is called melting. Circle only melting, and you can make a cross on evaporation and boiling. هذا غلط. Or you can cross them like this. This is wrong and this is wrong. Melting is the right answer. Number two, Rami, number two. After this, don't say the answer.
Okay, teacher, I am
Yes,
sorry.
Rami. Number two, Rami.
When
Evaporation
evaporation takes planet a
Place.
liquid change. What, teacher?
takes place.
Takes place a liquid change to a gas, teacher. Teacher, the answer is gas.
The evaporation takes place, a liquid changes to a, when evaporation takes place, that is a gas. Nice. So you will make a circle around gas and cross solution and solid. This is not right. Next question. Mr. Nader, open your mic and read number 3.
The change from liquid to soiled is
Solid.
called
What is soiled, Nader?
solid.
The change from liquid to solid is called. From liquid to solid. Yani from liquid, yani zay moya, liquid to ice.
From
What is
liquid
that
to
called?
solid called freezing.
Freezing. Yes, Salam. So it's mean melting and filtering is wrong. The right answer is freezing. Very nice. Okay, Umar Mu'tiz, open your mic and read the second part, true, false, number 1.
Number 1, freezing is the reverse of melting. True.
Yes, it is true. Freezing is the reverse of melting. Here we discuss this. Melting is the reverse of freezing. It's mean freezing in the is the reverse of melting. So this is true.
Teacher, I can
Then
answer.
who is with me? Munabba, yes.
Okay. Teacher, I am Hamid. I want to answer.
Wait, Hamid, wait.
No,
Yes,
teacher, can
Munabba.
I read number? Teacher, teacher, can I after him?
Fahad, please wait. Munabba Azhari, open your mic. Only Munabba, bas.
أستاذ فاتح المايك أنا.
Okay, Munabba, yalla. Water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade.
True.
True, very nice. Next we have Zaid. Open your mic. Zaid.
يا teacher.
Yes, Zaid. Number 3. Ice melts at 100 degree centigrade. Ice melts at 100 degrees. False. Very nice. Thank you. So here we have done. Okay, let me just. 2 pages from number 1, 2, 3 in the sentences, and number 3 numbers in true false. Okay, now complete these sentences and we will start reading. Who will read? I am open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so I will ask a question which we have done before. Just there are some questions about this activity. Answer the question. What makes the water in cubes cool down? What makes the water cools down? Cool down. The question is, what makes the water in tube B, here in tube B, cool down? That is the freezing mixture. This is the right answer. Freezing mixture. Right here in front of this question, freezing mixture. Okay? Write with me. What makes the ice in tube A warm up? So we will write here the warm water. The warm water. Please write with me. Question number 3. At what temperature did the water freeze? Did the water freeze? That is 0 degree Celsius. I will make it bigger because we have to write degree. 0 degree Celsius. Let me make a degree here. 0 degree Celsius. Then we have number 4. At what temperature did the ice melt? That is also the same. 0 degree Celsius. So let me write here degree. 0 degree Celsius. Question number 5. Did you prove that the water freezes at 0 degree centigrade and melts on 0 degree Celsius? Yes or no? So right here.
Teacher, I want to go to bathroom.
Okay, Kareem. Yes, question number 5. Yes. Then why is it more scientific to repeat the investigation a few seconds to get reliable results? To get reliable results. This you will write on this line as well. To get reliable results. كتبت ولا باقي؟
1 minute. Only 1 minute.
Okay, you can take your time. Okay. Father Sufyani, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, read this box, please.
Teacher, I am Hamid.
If you check in a book, it will tell you that ice melts at 0
degree centigrade.
It will also tell you that water freeze at
0
Teacher, then.
Okay, just wait. Let me write your names and finish your work with me. Okay, Abdulaziz Fahad, Maujud. Badr Muhammad
Teacher,
موجود.
I am finished. I am Zia.
Wait. Badr
I'm
Muhammad
finished.
موجود.
Bring
Badr
off
Muhammad.
موجود أستاذ موجود.
Okay. Muhammad Hammam.
موجود أستاذ موجود.
Okay. Nawaf Abdullah Sufyani. Nawaf Sufyani. Sanad Sultan al-Zahrani. Saud.
موجود. أنا سند موجود.
Okay. Saud.
موجود مع موجود. أنا نواف العمري موجود.
Yazan موجود.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
فهد
Yazan.
السوداني is موجود.
Okay. Okay. I got it. Fahad al-Sufyani is there. Okay. Fahad al-Utaybi. Fahad Abdullah Salim.
موجود.
Fahad Abdullah Salim.
أستاذ أنا سعود موجود.
أنا كلام فهد عبد الله أنت كلام سعود. I am asking for Fahad Abdullah Saleh. Umar Mu'tiz, yes, he is there. Abdurrahman Amr Ismail.
موجود.
Okay. Thank you. Ala Ammar Al Qurashi, are you there?
Teacher, I am Zia. I am Zia.
I know Ziad, I wrote your name. If I say your name, you should say yes. If I don't say, it's mean I wrote your name. Fahad Abdullah Salim is absent. Then we have Nawaf Abdullah As-Sufyani. These are absent.
Teacher, I am here.
Yes, Hamid, I know, man.
Yes.
أيوة نواف فين يا أخي؟ أنا كتبت أنت غايب.
كتبتني. Sorry man.
أوكي.
ما كنت شفت.
أوكي لازم اسمع يا حبيبي ركز معنا. أنت كتبت في الكتاب يا نواف سفياني؟
صورت الشاشة.
اكتب في الكتاب وارسلني. أوكي. Everyone كلكم.
Okay.
Okay. Okay boys, see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye. 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 Teacher.